I have here another GTX 980 that has a thermal based problem. Temperatures will instantly go to 80 degrees, and I think it's caused by the original thermal paste that has been dried out. So I have to start with using this card by replacing the thermal paste. That's not good. It hits to the thermal limit instantly. So I will do that next, and then I will see improvement in the temperatures and the card will start working again like it should. It is boosting the normal clocks, but I think the fan RPM is a little bit high. It's almost 2000, so it could be a little bit quieter if I replace it. This is the same thing that I will be doing that I did for the GTX 970, and it's also a MSI GTX 980 gaming. So let's get to it. Here is the original thermal paste. It looks a little bit dried out, and I think it is, so it doesn't transfer heat like it used to be transferring. It easily flakes off. And here is the core. I will put some alcohol and wipe it off, and then put a new one in there, and then I get the card back home. Now the core has been cleaned, and I can put back this one. I've run out of Atik MX4, but I think that will be enough. Let's see. Now the card is back running. Even benchmark. And here are the new temperatures. Let's see how quickly it goes up. With the original paste, it went to 80 degrees right away. Let's see where it stabilizes. It is climbing a little bit slower, but I think these cards have a very high temperature limit, so they will have a temperature target of about 80 degrees. But I think it will be improved a little bit by a couple degrees. It hasn't shot up to the 80 degrees immediately, but it's at 75 now, and most likely it will reach the temperature target of 80 degrees. That fan isn't that loud at that kind of RPM. It's rather quiet actually. So I would say this is a slight improvement of couple degrees. It stays below 80 degrees now, with a slightly lower fan RPM. Previously it was 1800 RPM, now it's 650, and stays at 75 degrees. And of course this is at open test bench, but the RPM of the fan would be slightly higher on closed case. But I recommend doing this if your card has a original thermal paste. It has been certainly dried out in all of these years. So give a like and subscribe to this channel. See you.